Whether you're looking for a clean start or looking to hide something that you shouldn't really have looked at, today we are here to clear your watch history. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe. Start creating. Now, we've all done it. We've all watched something that we're absolutely ashamed of, something that we shouldn't really have touched. You know, like me doing the baby shark. That was horrific. Or you're researching some kind of toy or gift for a friend, a family member, that kind of thing. You want to save the surprise and remove it from your watch history as a quick little hack to help you. Let's go to the computer. Okay, so let's say you start in the YouTube dashboard. What you need to do is jump to your normal account. So in the top right hand corner there is your avatar. Click account, hover over your name and click. Now this is taking me to my channel, but more importantly it's taking me to YouTube itself. It's giving you the bars on the left hand side that now says history. Now this gives you a long list of everything that you have watched recently. So, you know, anything that you've watched in the last few days, but in some cases you might want to remove certain things or clear it entirely. So let's say you want to remove individual things. So you hover over it, an X will appear, you click it, and it says this item has been removed from your history. Now, if you want to remove multiple things or clear it entirely, you click clear all watch history. This says that your watch history will be cleared on all YouTube apps and all devices. Your video recommendations will be reset, but may still be influenced by the activity on other Google products. You simply click clear watch history. Now, if you want it to stop tracking your history from this point on, once you've cleared it, you can also click pause watch history. And what happens is it stops tracking you and therefore it can stop recommending things based on things you've watched as well. Now if you need more help in hiding things or dealing with features, I've done a playlist up here. Remember to hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tip tutorials. Go out there, start creating.